the speed that we do the movements in Tai Chi, to begin with, is very slow and comfortable. Really, the demands or the requirements of each movement mean that you have to slow down and take notice of what you're doing. So therefore, when we're doing these movements, we only go as fast as we can and still maintain all of the things that we've been talking about, the alignments, the breathing, the energy attention, and also the postures and the movements that are very clearly defined. So another thing about the speed of the movements is they must be rhythmical, yeah? Not slow or fast back and then slow, or fast and then slow, and not jagged, but nice and smooth and comfortable and rhythmical. This is very good for the mind and also for creating smoothness in the body. The nervous system must become smooth and comfortable with each movement that you're doing. And this will ultimately lead to great speed. The duration of your practice, there's no real upper time limit for practicing Tai Chi, but it should always be comfortable. It should always remain so that you're feeling good from the practice and not getting overtired, because you can get diminishing returns from practicing tired, the wrong movements, not concentrating, and not staying centered in what you're doing. So the answer really is to always be comfortable, centered and calm during your practice. If you go over a certain period of time and you start to lose your focus, then this is probably the time to stop.